Hi everyone, it's Sharon the Flam with the Toothbrush Yoga series in the bathroom. And what am I doing? I'm actually going to clean with my own non-toxic cleaning supplies. So I'm going to show you a little more about what I've done. I've just finished soaking maybe all day my faucet in vinegar in its little baggie. So let's see if I can get a good view there. And then what am I going to do next? I'm going to remove it. And if I've had to use duct tape, sometimes a little lemon oil will get rid of the sticky stuff. So after I've done that, I'm going to take my cleaning vinegar, and spray it up in there. And then I might scrub that screen. And I've also been known to unscrew the screen, which can be tricky putting it back together, so be careful. And once I can get that screen out, I give it a good scrubbing with a brush. I squeeze more vinegar up into the faucet and put that screen back, which I found out the hard way can be quite a little process and made a little frustration for people. And while I'm here and I got my vinegar spray, I might just bend down here into my toilet bowl and spray it all the way around the rim so that it gets nice and clean. And I like to let that vinegar sit there like all day or until the next person uses it. So that's one of my tips. I hope you enjoy using my non-toxic ideas, keeping your breathing clean and healthy. And I hope I see you on social media. Have a lovely day. Namaste.